Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to change region in Valorant without VPN. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is go to this website, a Riot account support. So you just have to search for Riot account support on your browser and tap on the first link to come up and you'll be redirected here. Once you're here, scroll down and you can see in here this transfer region. So simply tap on that. Now click on check that red button and just wait for it to load. As you can see, they cannot determine your region, so we need to submit a ticket. So now scroll down and then tap on submit a ticket. After that, tap on the drop down menu and look for account management, data, request, or deletion. This one. In here, you have to fill in the needed information. So choose what platform you're using. So just put there PC. And for subject, just type in changing region. Depends on you. Next is select your inquiry. So just account management. Now select the inquiry, the specific one. Just select need help changing region. Now for description, just type in your reason or add more details about your concern or inquiry. So let's put there, I want to change my region so that I can play with my friends. You can also add files here if needed or if you want to. And after that, just check everything, and once everything is good, you can tap on submit to submit your ticket. It will take up to 1 to 2 weeks for their respond, so just check regularly for their respond on email. And that's it everyone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!